Happy Monday, happy Monday, happy Monday. So check this out. Probably one of the best classes that I've been to in a long time when it comes down to learning how to trade. Sometimes it's like you learn the basics and then you sort of forget the basics, and then you come back and you go through a basic class and you go, oh, that's why I took that trade, and that's why I took that trade, and that's why I took that trade. Our instructor, one of our educators named Jess, she's absolutely phenomenal. She actually focuses on trading stock options. However, if you know anything about trading, most trading basics are pretty much the same. The class that she talked about today in charting and charting swing trades and intraday trades was absolutely phenomenal. I would highly recommend that if you're if you're new to trading, you got to go to this. I'm gonna show you where to find it. If you haven't enrolled in the economy yet, reach out to me. We can get you enrolled. If you're going to become an expert trader, even a very proficient trader, there's some skills that you need to learn that are the basics. And sometimes in the beginning, it's like there's so much going on, it can get overwhelming. For example, the platform we have offers Forex classes, stock option classes, and there's a crypto option as well as available as well. But the basics in all of those arenas, when it comes down to figuring out when to get in and out of a trade, pretty much the same, right? And this class today, I'd highly recommend, if you're enrolled in economy already, go watch this class. Don't get caught up in the fact that it's revolving around stock options. Just understand that it's all the basic stuff. It's the basic class. And I just love the way that she just sort of went, I call top to bottom, left to right, and how she teaches this class. So I would recommend, if you're watching this at all, if you're catching this at all, one, if you want to learn how to trade, reach out to me. We'll get you hooked up. You can learn the Forex and stock options, or you can learn the crypto, all three at once, but pick one of those and I'll get you pointed in the right direction to learn how to trade. And then, of course, if you're a little bit more advanced in the intermediate and you want to just get some real good classes in and say, okay, I need to take myself to the next level, then you can plug into wherever you want to go for the next level. So let me do a quick screen share for all my peeps that are already enrolled so you can see how to find this. Very, very cool opportunity. And share the screen here. So when you log into your ECA, you're going to come over here to where it says live trading sessions. You're going to come down here to stock. You're going to click on the intro button right here on the left. You see this? So live trading sessions, intro, and these are recorded. And you'll see the stock options bootcamp, which started back here on the 8th, is all in the purple. So you got the first class, the second class, and it says 2024 bootcamp, 2024 bootcamp, 2024 bootcamp, 2024 bootcamp. You still have time to enroll in this boot camp and go back and watch these. Most of these classes are about an hour. The next class is actually going to be tomorrow morning at 8:45. So you'd have all of next week to get all these classes out of the way. This class right here, if you haven't watched this, if you're enrolled into economy and you haven't seen this class right here, this 2024 class number 7, how to chart and swing day trade, I would go watch this, get out a notebook, take notes several times, take some screenshots, do whatever you need to do to go through this, because it really brings the basics back to how do I chart, how do I figure out when to enter, when not to enter. Very, very good class. She breaks it down, all the time frames. Is really, really cool. What was really neat is right after this class, I jumped on one in the crypto sphere over in DeFiverse, and Felipe, I think that's how he says his name, was teaching the exact same class on the crypto side. So it was very, very cool. He was referencing crypto, she's referencing stock options, but the classes are exactly the same. Their charting styles are exactly the same. So if you're going to trade, it doesn't really matter what you trade. I would highly recommend that you learn the basics. If you're enrolled already, I would come in and watch this. If you're not enrolled in the economy, this would be a good place to start. Again, you can start with the Forex, you can start with the stocks, or if you want to get into crypto, I can show you how to get enrolled into the crypto side. Anywhere you start is always better than nothing. Make a commitment, right? If you're going to do this, if you're going to enroll, right? If you're going to enroll into trading to learn how to trade, you've got to make a commitment to showing up at least at a minimum 3 hours a week to learn how to do this, or more. Make a commitment to show up to live classes, make a commitment to show up to the trading classes, make a commitment to say, hey, I'm not going to spend real money until I know what the heck I'm doing, right? Because you can use a demo account or a paper trading account, whatever you want to call it, to learn how to trade so you don't have to spend any of your own money. Tuition is crazy, crazy affordable. It's $149 for the first month, $99 a month after that. For the Forex and stock options class, again, that's one price for both. If you want to enroll in the crypto side, you can add that on for $69, or you can just do the crypto for $149 for the first month and $99 a month after that. If you want details, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number is scrolling right across the bottom of the screen. Excited to learn all this stuff. And again, that class that I just shared with you, go to class number 7, how to chart and swing day trade. Watch that class multiple times. It will really just makes a lot of sense. She did a really good job on that class today. So I highly recommend you jump in. If you're not enrolled, reach out to me. We'll get you signed up. We'll get you enrolled so you can start learning the skill of trading, so you can just basically make money whenever you want to. I love you. Appreciate you. Jesus loves you. Absolutely nothing you can do about that. I'm on a mission to have no more empty refrigerators and help you make a lot of money. We'll see you in class. Bye-bye.